One more thing I need to do. The speakers inyuma, I don't like them. So nazo zigomba kuvamo. So hano mfite izi kuzikuramo biroroshye kubera ko ifashwe ndagomba gukuramo to the clip rimwe tubiri. I think that's it. Asigaho undi agakava k'imbere karahita kavamo. So let's do this. Ngiye kuzisimbuza Kenwood 400 watts. So impamvu jaho gukurikiramo izi nuko zifite Twitter. Izi Twitter zihindura sound ikaba nka iba ifite amplified. It's gonna sound similar to my Lexus but not close because the Lexus fit a subwoofer from factory. So let's try it. I'll have to replace this and the front doors. So in the meantime turahindura izi nyuma gusa. Front doors nzazikora next week. Okay, nababeshi. Hano harimo amaburu. Hari irimo hano n'iraha. Ndabona izo ebyiri ngomba gukuramo gusa kugira ngo ikava cover ya hejuru ifashe hejuru speaker ivemo. So ndabona iyi ni 4 ohms 15 watts. So tugiye gushyiramo 400 watts more power. Yema muri trunk avuyemo, so ikigomba gutagiterurwa itugwa kuri speaker rero ariyo yiye. Ndakina 8mm kugira ngo ivemo nayo. Yeah, one side irarangiye, so ngiye gukora l'autre côté. Ariko l'autre côté iri compliqué kubera ko kwicaramo. So noneho ndi gukora final assembly. Ubu ngomba gukata iyi migozi. Aya ma speakers original yaracometse. Ndawukatira somewhere hano kugira ngo mbekaka imikese nkeneye gusubiza mu factory zibe zihari. Nyuma rero mfata imigozi iri over hano nicomeka kwene imigozi ibiri. So yeah, that's gonna be quick and easy.